Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I want to share with you a little project that I have done. If you hear noise in the background, yes, England is playing the semi-finals and I was getting a bit too anxious, so I decided to come into my workshop and do some work. So if you hear some shouting, it's probably, hopefully, England is scoring and Mr. B is excited about it. So, the project, my latest project, these little books. I think they call them wood stack books. They are beautiful, I love them, but they are a bit pricey. So, I decided to make my own. So, you'll see in the video, it's quite fast, so I'm going to explain to you how I did it. That's how I do it. So you're going to need some pieces of wood. This is actually left over from a job we did, and there was loads of little bits and I cut them to size. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you the size I have chosen. You can make it a bit bigger or a bit smaller, it's up to you. These ones are exactly 10 centimeters long and 7 centimeters wide. Okay, so you can do stack of 3 or you can do a stack of 2 if you want. What do you need apart from the wood? You're going to need wood glue to glue the blocks together. I use some chalk paint, white, for these ones, but depending of the season, I'm planning to do some. That's why I have this one here prepared. I will probably be doing for fall decor, so I'll probably be painting it a strong orange or something like that. Stamps. I have 2 sets of stamps, not expensive. I bought this one on eBay for about £7. There. And the other day in Home Bargains I found these ones. They are much bigger and this one's only cost £1.99, so I thought I'm taking it. For £1.99 you can't go wrong. I don't actually have the proper thing, so I use an old thing to smudge the stamps. That is for you to write. If you're good at handwriting, what I'm not, you can also handwrite any color you want and you can put anything you want. So the glue to glue the blocks, any paint you want to paint, varnish. I always like to seal my projects with clear satin varnish for it. So let me show you how I did it. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already, and to give a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll see you in my little next project. Bye bye.